Welcome to the textile dyeing department, where yarns and fabrics receive vibrant colors through dyeing machines that ensure quality.
Dyeing works through a migration process, where dye molecules move from a dye solution and permanently bond with textile materials. Dyeing machines are classified according to the textile form being processed, including fabric dyeing, yarn dyeing, and fiber dyeing systems. The Winch dyeing machine is one of the oldest dyeing systems, ideal for silk, wool, and knitted fabrics processed in rope form.
The temperature is holding steady at 98. How is the color saturation looking on this batch? It looks perfect, Foreman. We are maintaining excellent consistency.
The Jigger dyeing machine is widely used for woven fabrics in open width form, helping prevent creases during dyeing. Modern high-pressure jiggers can operate at 130 degrees Celsius, making them suitable for dyeing synthetic fabrics. Jet dyeing machines are highly efficient for knitted fabrics, where both fabric and dye liquor move simultaneously. In beam dyeing, fabric remains stationary while dye liquor is pumped evenly through perforated beams for uniform coloration. Package dyeing machines are commonly used for sewing threads and colored yarns intended for patterned textile production. Pressurized dye liquor flows through yarn packages, ensuring excellent shade consistency from the core to the surface. Tank dyeing machines are especially popular in the wool industry and are frequently used for carpet yarn manufacturing. Fiber dyeing, also called stock dyeing, colors loose fibers before spinning them into yarn. Specialized machines such as Husong and conical pan systems are commonly used for loose fiber dyeing applications. Modern innovation includes the then airflow synergy system, which uses air to transport fabric instead of large volumes of water. This technology achieves extremely low liquor ratios and significantly reduces energy consumption compared to conventional jet dyeing. Successful dyeing depends on precise control of temperature, time, pH, pressure, liquor ratio, and chemical concentration. Regular maintenance includes monitoring steam systems, inspecting valves, lubricating moving parts, and cleaning tanks between batches. Improper machine settings can cause defects such as uneven dyeing, shade variation, crease marks, and dye spots. Accurate chemical dosing and controlled machine operation are essential for achieving consistent color quality. Dyeing chemicals may be corrosive, oxidizing, or reducing agents, making personal protective equipment absolutely essential. Operators must follow material safety data sheets and established safety procedures when handling textile dyeing chemicals. High-pressure dyeing machines require safety interlocks to prevent steam eruptions and accidents during vessel opening. From traditional winch machines to advanced waterless technologies, textile dyeing continues evolving toward greater quality, efficiency, and sustainability.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.